They would have left Jesus alone. If you have seen three persons that came out and will stay with Jesus, Agbala, Gabriel, the person would have gone down. Where were the 12 disciples? Everyone Agbala Daniel fed the other day. Where were they? Everyone that you have done good to, where are they? Those people that are dwarf, that you assisted the other day, where are they? That man, the blind, that God, where was he? The man of Gadara, where was he? The man of Gadara, where was he? All of them ran behind Jesus. And even the 12 apostles that they took the remaining 12 baskets, where were they? Everyone has run. They ran away. Anything can happen after what I say. They faced war with our father before.
Daddy, say Agbala Gabriel.
Do you know Agbala Gabriel? Did he go to this world? He has not seen him with his physical eyes. I said only.
But I got something.
But what's on
in the body of Christ?
Christians are wicked. Everyone that arrives, always bring him down. And the person.
Now listen to me.
The man that they're shouting about, it's not that they met the head of a man with him. They met him in the Abali's house. They said, I made the 40 persons he has helped. He made a mistake. He beat someone.
Artists in Nigeria.
Favorite theater of Nigeria.
Artists come out now and fight for him.
The fathers of faith are Christians want their rights. And they call them you. The children of God will be looking at them. And they'll be saying, when it falls, the soldiers to put them up in order for him to survive. But these Christians, they stumble upon him. And then you talk about it.
I don't care. Oh, Gbemi today will family.
Lifted him up, but you can't bring him down. If you talk about our father, you are just making him popular.
Let me tell you this.
When he started the ministry with a mother and a child, the woman who said our father slept with her and the child, she went into the house of her father and they went to fetch water for him. And from where she was fetching water, and that is why he went to the market. And she shouted, he wants to rape me. He wants to rape me. And father was saying, who? Me. And there was publicity. There was no pastor. At that year, everyone ran away from him. And he was alone.
But he
has fought that kind of battle before. So you allow him to know that he cannot believe all the rumors he hears on night.
Listen to me.
Pastor Akipelu.
First square.
So we have a first square church. After a year, I was crying in his house. I came in. I said, Pastor Caleb, I don't think that you're not evangelizing anymore. He said, I can't do it anymore. He said, what the enemy wants to happen to you is for your ministry to die. He heard me. And the priest said, everyone said so. He said, but I don't believe them. And that's when the ministry rose again. Who will keep it a child amongst you? I'll be around 32 years of age. And God will hear his prayers. At the end of 32 years of prayer, and he will say to fall again. Except you want your own child to come down. Someone else to start to have a downfall. But as you are talking, you have the mother of Agbala Gabriel crying sorrowfully.
abẹ́rù pé ò ní ìyá ni.
Or you think he doesn't have a mother?
So anything pa mi.
You could stand never have a
Ìwọ
father.
kọ́ ló fún mi
You are
ní
the
pẹ́.
one that gave him the calling.
Ìwọ kọ́ ló gbé mi
You
dìde.
are the one that left him up.
Bọ́ ọ bá sa gbogbo ipá rẹ̀.
If you try all your
Tí
strength,
ìmọ̀ náà bá jẹ́ tẹ̀nìyàn.
and if it's for God,
Yóò ṣẹ.
it will come to
Wọ́n
pass.
tí o bá jẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run.
But if it's not of God,
Wàá dókè.
it will
Yes,
get
sir.
to God.
Ariwo tó o bá. Wọ́n ń kan Àgbàlá Daniel má gbélébùú lọ́wọ́ ni o.
They crucified Agbala Daniel on the cross.
Baálẹ̀ sì béèrè wípé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ búburú kí ni ó ṣe.
Kí ló ṣe?
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n kígbe sókè sí pé
Wọ́n sá pariwo pé
ìyá kan má
ẹ̀sà
gbé.
jábọ́. Kí ni reason?
Why?
Ó súré dìde.
He quickly rose.
Kí ló ṣe?
What did he do?
Ẹ lísìn o.
And tẹ́tí gbọ́.
Bọ́ba ní ọ̀dà náà jẹ́ àdìbò.
And he said, let's vote.
Ìwé mímọ́ sọ wípé
The Holy Scripture said
ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹlẹ́rìí méjì
there were 2 witnesses
tàbí mẹ́ta
or 3.
á fìdí múlẹ̀.
We will establish a
Tí a bá rí èèyàn
matter.
mẹ́ta
Every 3
ó
persons
jáde
that comes out.
nítorí Jésù.
So Jesus is saying,
Ó sọ wípé
I say,
kò séńtán lọ́sọ̀ yẹn.
there's nothing he has done wrong.
Àdàjẹ́.
Kí èmi dá
Wọ́n ń kan Àgbàlá Daniel má gbélébùú lọ́wọ́ ni o.
They crucified Agbala Daniel on the cross.
Baálẹ̀ sì béèrè wípé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ búburú kí ni ó ṣe.
Kí ló ṣe?
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n kígbe sókè sí pé
Wọ́n sá pariwo pé
ìyá kan má
ẹ̀sà
gbé.
jábọ́. Kí ni reason?
Why?
Ó súré dìde.
He quickly rose.
Kí ló ṣe?
What did he do?
Ẹ lísìn o.
And tẹ́tí gbọ́.
Bọ́ba ní ọ̀dà náà jẹ́ àdìbò.
And he said, let's vote.
Ìwé mímọ́ sọ wípé
The Holy Scripture said
ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹlẹ́rìí méjì
there were 2 witnesses
tàbí mẹ́ta
or 3.
á fìdí múlẹ̀.
We will establish
Tí a
a
bá rí èèyàn
matter.
mẹ́ta
Every 3
ó
persons
jáde
that comes out.
nítorí Jésù.
So Jesus is saying,
Ó sọ wípé
I say,
kò séńtán lọ́sọ̀ yẹn.
there's nothing he has done wrong.
Àdà Jésù
They
sílẹ̀.
would have left Jesus alone.
Tá a bá rí èèyàn mẹ́ta
If you have seen 3
tí ó
persons
jáde
that came out,
tí ó dúró ti
I will
Àgbàlá
stay with Jesus.
Gabriel.
Agbala Gabriel.
ogun ká lọlẹ̀.
The person would have gone down.
Níbo làwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn méjìlá wà?
Where were the 12 disciples?
Gbogbo àwọn tí Àgbàlá Daniel fún lóúnjẹ ń jò nínú wọn wà.
Everyone Agbala Daniel fed the other day. Where were they?
Gbogbo àwọn tó ti ṣe lóore dà.
Everyone that you have done good to. Where are they?
Àwọn ìyá tí wọ́n ga jù báyìí lọ.
Those people that are dwarf.
Tó ràn lọ́wọ́ ń jò
That
ní.
he assisted the other day.
Níbo ni Chief Kana wà?
Where are they?
Àwọn ìyá kókó dà. Níbo ni ọmọkùnrin yẹn wà?
That man,
Afọ́jú
the blind,
tí Jésù gbé dìde.
that God
Níbo ló wà?
where was he?
Bátólómi afọ́jú. Wèrè ara Gádárádà.
The man of Gadara, where was he?
Wèrè ara Gádárádà.
The man of Gadara, where was he?
Gbogbo wọn sálẹ̀ yìí
All of
Jésù.
them ran
Àwọn
behind
apọ́sù
Jesus.
méjìlá dà.
And even the 12 apostles.
Tí wọ́n gbé apẹ̀rẹ̀ àjẹkù ẹ̀.
That they took the remaining 12 baskets.
Gbogbo wọn dà.
Where were they?
Ogun ti dé sọ́gà.
Everyone has run.
Wọ́n ti sá lọ.
They ran away.
Anything ló lè ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ.
Anything can happen after what my
I
father is saying.
don't care. Wọ́n ti dojú ogun kọ mi rí.
They faced war with our father before.
Dádì, ṣé ẹ mà Àgbàlá Gabriel yìí?
Do you know Agbala Gabriel?
Níjọ́ mo ti dáyé.
Did he come to this world?
Mi ò fojú kan rí.
He has not seen him with his physical
Lẹ́yìn
eyes.
internet.
Except on the
But I tell something.
But what's on
In the body of Christ.
Ní ara Jésù.
Ìkà làwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì.
Christians are wicked.
Gbogbo sójà tó bá ti dìde.
Everyone that are right,
Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mú balẹ̀
they
padà.
always bring him
Kò
down.
dẹ̀ ní sáré kankan ló
And
yẹ.
they be the one
Tó máa dìde láti
to
support.
defend the person.
Now listen to me.
Ẹ tẹ́tí gbọ́ o.
Ọkùnrin tí ń pariwo
The
yìí.
man that they are shouting about.
Kìí ṣe bí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n borí èèyàn
It's
lọ́wọ́
not
ẹ̀.
that they made the head of a man with him.
Kìí ṣe bí wọ́n sọ pé ọba lè
It's not that
babaláwo.
they made him in the Abali's house.
Wọ́n sọ wípé.
They
Wọ́n sọ wípé.
said,
Nínú àwọn èèyàn ọgọ́rùn-ún tó ti ràn lọ́wọ́.
I made the 40 persons he has helped.
Ó ṣe mistake.
He made a mistake.
Ó lu ẹnìkan.
He beat someone.
Níbo ni àwọn artist Nàìjíríà wà?
Favorite theatre of Nigeria.
Gbogbo àwọn artist tí a lọ gbowó lọ́mọ
All the
ọkùnrin.
artists that went to take
Can they
from me.
come out now
Credit was a child in
and
this.
fight for him?
Call it Bob, call it Jaffa.
Níbo làwọn bàbá wa nù
Where were
gbàgbọ́?
the fathers of faith are?
Kìrìsìtẹ́nì tó bá ti dìde báyìí.
Christians want their
Tó bá ti
rights.
pẹ́rẹ́ rẹ̀
And
lákọ́ni.
they call it faith in Europe.
Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́run ọ̀dẹ̀ máa wò
The
ó.
children of God will be looking at them.
Sọ́jà àánú ayé.
And they'll be saying,
Tó bá ṣubú.
when he falls,
Àwọn sójà ó gbèsè
the
yìí.
soldiers will put them up
Kó lè bá a survive.
in order for him to survive.
Gbá àwọn
But
kìrìsìtẹ́nì.
these Christians,
Wọ́n á tẹ̀lé nu
they
pa.
stumble upon him.
Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀
And then
nípa
you
tèmi.
talk about it.
I don't care. Ó gbé mi dìde ò lè fa mi
You
lulẹ̀.
lifted him up and you can't bring him down.
Bọ́ ọ bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa tèmi.
If you talk about our father,
Ó kàn fún mi publicity.
you are just making him popular.
Let me tell you this.
Happens to me, Lele.
Nígbà mo bẹ̀rẹ̀
When
ministry.
he started the ministry with a mother and a child,
Ìyá tó ní mo bọ̀ òun àtọ́mọ àwọn sùn.
the woman who said her father slept with her and the child,
Ó wọnú létí mi.
she went into the house with her
Ó
father
wá bá mi pọn mi.
and they went to fetch water for him.
láti ibi tó ti wá bá mi pọn mi.
And from where she was fetching water.
ìyàwó mi lọ sọ́jà.
And that is why I went to the market.
ló ti pariwo pé.
And she shouted.
wọ́n fẹ́ bá mi sùn.
He wants to rape me.
wọ́n fẹ́ bá mi
He
sùn.
wants to rape me.
mo wà ń dárúkọ rẹ̀ pé ìyá
Father was saying who?
èmi.
Me.
òkìkí kan.
And there was publicity.
mi ò rí pásítọ̀ kankan.
There was no pastor.
ní ọdún yẹn lọ́hùn.
At that year.
wọ́n sá fún mi.
Everyone ran away from him.
oṣù lọ́jà.
And he was alone.
ònàdí. mo ti dárú ọdún yẹn rí.
He has fought that kind of battle before.
ó jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé.
So he allowed him to
mi ò
go.
lè gba gbogbo rúmọ̀ gbọ́.
I cannot believe all the rumors he hears all night.
listen to me o.
Ẹ tẹ́tí gbọ́.
pásítọ̀ akínpẹ̀lú.
Pastor Akínpẹ̀lú.
tó wà ní first square.
Now we have a first squad
lẹ́yìn
church.
oṣù kan.
After a year.
tí mo ti ń sunkún
I
nulẹ̀.
was crying in his house.
wọ́n ní mo sàgbére. akínpẹ̀lú wọlé tọ̀ mí.
I came in.
ó ní pásítọ̀ kílẹ̀.
I said, Pastor Caleb.
ó ní mi ò rí kọ́ lọ ṣe evangelism mọ́.
I don't think I'm not evangelizing anymore. He said,
ó lè ṣe evangelism mọ́.
I can't do it anymore.
ó ní dédérin.
He said,
ó ní ntá ọ̀tá fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọ.
what the enemy wants to happen to
ó ní
you
pé kí iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ rí
is
o.
for your ministry to die.
ó ní dídẹ́.
He heard me
ó wàásù.
and he preached.
ó ní gbogbo wọn sọ
He said,
bẹ́ẹ̀.
everyone said so.
ó ní ṣùgbọ́n mi ò
He said,
gbàgbọ́.
but I don't believe them.
bí iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ mi ti di
And that's
padà.
why the ministry rose again.
ta ló máa bí ọmọ nínú yín.
Who will keep it a child amongst you?
tó máa jẹ́ ọmọ 32
I'll
years.
be around 32 years
tí
of
ọlọ́run
age.
máa gbàdúrà rẹ̀.
And God will hear his prayers.
bó ṣe gbọ́ àdúrà ọmọ 32
At the
years.
end of 32 years of prayer.
tí ó sọ pé kó jábọ́.
And he will say to fall again.
àdàbí tó o bá fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà wálẹ̀.
Except you want your own child to
ó ní kó o sọ pé kọ́ ọmọ tẹ̀yìn ẹlẹ́ni ó wálẹ̀.
someone else to start to have a downfall.
pé níbi a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
But as you are talking,
ìyá àgbàlá Gabriel ń sunkún
I
lọ́wọ́.
have the mother of Agbala Gabriel crying sorrowfully.
abẹ́ rò pé ò ní ìyá ni.
Or you think he doesn't have a mother?
sọ anything pa mi.
You could stand there by your
ìwọ
father.
kọ́ ló fún mi
You are not the
nípè.
one that gave him the calling.
ìwọ kọ́ ló gbé mi
You
dìde.
are not the one that left him up.
bó o bá sa gbogbo ipá rẹ.
If you try all your
tí
strength
ìmọ̀ náà bá jẹ́ tẹ̀nìyàn.
and if it's for God,
yóò ṣẹ.
it will come to
wọ́n
pass.
tí o bá jẹ́ ti
But
ọlọ́run.
if it's not of God,
wàá dókè.
it will
Yes,
get
sir.
to God.
ariwo tó o bá